How's it guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're discussing the benefits and features of the Discovery Bank Black, the Platinum and the Gold accounts. So we're going to go through the fees and then all the benefits and features, cashbacks and discounts that you'll qualify for by utilizing the benefit, and how improving your Vitality Money status, Vitality Health status can actually unlock a hell of a lot of value, and those fees pretty much get negated. So let's jump onto the fees here and see exactly what the fee breakdown is. For your Discovery card account only, so it's the credit card only, on a gold plan you're looking at $75. On the Platinum you're looking at 120. Black account card only is $185. Next up we've got the transaction accounts. So gold is $120, your Platinum is $195, and the Black is $275 for the transaction account only. So if we combine the two and we go for the full Discovery banking suite, your gold banking suite we're looking at $185. The Platinum suite is $240, and then the Black suite account we're looking at $440. The value add that you get on your Discovery Bank by working the system and understanding the Vitality Money and how it can actually improve a hell of a lot your future outcomes, be it retirement planning, your investment planning, or on your life insurance policy, the benefits are worth it. So if you earn anything under 350,000 Rand a year, you'll qualify for the gold account. For the Platinum, you need to earn between 350 and 850 a year. And the Black account, we're looking at 850,000 Rand per annum, up to 2.5 million. And then for the purple account, I'll make a separate video for the purple account benefits and features on a separate video in the near future. But to qualify for purple, you need to earn a minimum of 2.5 million Rand a year. Okay, so next up is the fun stuff, the comparison between the different accounts and how they work, and understanding the Vitality Money status. Okay, let's jump on here. I'm going to share my screen and take you through comparing the different accounts and how they look. All right, so here we are. Okay, so the link is down below to go to the Discovery Shared Value Stack tool, where you can compare the different accounts, compare if you're going for a full suite or card only or account only. So let's compare. Let's start out with transaction only gold account versus the full banking suite on the gold account. Keep Vitality status, Vitality Money status here in the middle at silver, just to compare across the board. Obviously, if your Vitality Money status is lower, the benefits will be slightly lower. If your money status is higher, it'll be higher. Okay, so gold account, let's quickly run through it. You can see here your dynamic interest rates. You can compare the additional cashback on your healthy food and healthy care is a lot higher on the suite account than the transaction account only. Your travel benefits, you can look here and compare. You also don't qualify for earn Discovery miles for exercising and driving well and that, whereas on the suite account you can get up to 30% of your fitness points in Discovery miles, which then you can use. So basically, if you exercise and you're tracking it, so I've got a Garmin watch, tracks my heart rate. If I do a half an hour workout or more, I get Vitality points, which means I'm earning cash. I'm earning and converting that into Discovery miles. Okay, so transaction account on the Platinum and the full suite on the Platinum account. Silver money status, we can see the difference in interest rates here for both your savings rate and your credit account. Your dynamic spending, 25%. It's only your Vitality Health cashback that you'll get. On the transaction only, on the full suite and on the credit card only, you qualify for up to the 40% on your healthy food and healthy care. Flights benefits, we can see and compare. Flights now on the full suite on Platinum, we're jumping up to 50% off our flights. So 35% on health, and then up to an additional 15% on the bank, on Vitality Money. And we can convert up to 45% of our fitness points into Discovery miles. If we are on Vitality Drive as well, we can also convert our Vitality Drive points into Discovery miles at 45%. Okay, then lastly, let's go take a look at the Black account. So Black transaction only versus the full banking suite on silver money status. Our credit interest rate, best case scenario, would be only 9.75% on the Black full suite. Transaction only, you would qualify for 12.75. And then the big one, Black full suite is you qualify for up to 55% cash back on your healthy food at Pick and Pay or Woolies. So 25% on your Vitality Health, and then additional 30%, up to 30% on your Vitality Money benefit. Healthy Care is up to 40%. Your flights now jumps up to 59% on the Black Suite. Still no increase on the transaction account only. You do qualify for airport lounges on the Black Suite, and up to 65% of your fitness and drive points into Discovery Miles. Okay, so that's the comparison quickly. You can see it's actually quite nice and quick and easy to go through. The link is down below. Go take a look, play around with it. If you have any questions, just shout. I'd be more than happy to take you through it and run through and see exactly what you would qualify for based on your current status and your goals for the next year. This is my first video for 2022. Let's make it a great one. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. If you found any value out of the video, please do like, subscribe, share it with someone if someone that you know is interested in joining the bank. Enjoy, guys. Ciao.